Hello, welcome to my kitchen, Nita's kitchen. Wow, beautiful, very spongy and light orange muffin. So let's make orange muffins. First, make your muffin pans ready. Spray a little vegetable spray in it. And then add your muffin cups into it and spray it again. Spray it again in the muffin cups and keep it aside. For orange muffins, take half a cup of oil, half a cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of juice, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. We also take 1 full zest of orange and a pinch of salt. So let's start. Let's mix in a big bowl dry ingredients first. So this is 1 full and 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a cup of sugar. Mix it well. And set aside. Now for wet ingredients, let's take an orange juice, 3/4 cups, half a cup of oil. You can take any oil. Add 2 eggs, 1 by 1, and start beating. You can beat with hand, with a fork or a whisk. Beat for 1 minute and then add another egg. Now this is the second egg I'm adding. Beat again for 1 minute. And then add vanilla essence. Now I am adding freshly grated orange zest into it. Nearly 1 full tablespoon. Now I am adding tablespoonful of an orange zest into our wet mixture. After adding an orange zest, beat again, mix well, and now let's mix wet mixture into the dry. And now our wet mixture goes into the dry. Mix again and it's ready to bake. Fold it well. Now fill your muffin cups. With this ice cream scoop, it's easier. So take like this. our muffin cups are ready and it goes in the oven 350 degree for 25 minutes or till it's golden brown. So our oven is hot. Bake in the middle rack for nearly 25 minutes or till it is done, and we will come back. Orange muffins are ready. Orange muffins. Wow, very light and spongy. Orange muffins, so fluffy, soft and airy. Thank you for watching. Bye.